Hello my little ones, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn the sounds of the 26 alphabets. The sounds of the 26 alphabets. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is our first alphabet? A. A makes the sound of a, a, a. This is the accent. A makes the sound of a, a, a. Like in apple, like in ant. B makes the sound of b, b, b. Like in bat, like in ball. C makes the sound of k, k, k. Like in cap, like in cat. D makes the sound of d, 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 d. Like in drum, like in dog. E makes the sound of how your mama breaks the egg. How she cracks the egg. Egg. F makes the sound of like in fish, like in frog. G makes the sound of g, 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 like in glass, like in grass. H makes the sound of like in hat, like in what else in H? Like in hut. Yes. I makes the sound of E. Like in insect, like in ink. J makes the sound of j, like in jelly, like in jam. K makes the sound of k, like in kite, like in kangaroo. L makes the sound of l, like in lemon, like in lion. M makes the sound of like in man, like in mango. N makes the sound of, now what you will do, roll your tongues, stretch your arms and say N makes the sound of like in nest, like in nails. Letter O. Letter O makes the sound of o. Like in ox, like in orange. Now, after O, which letter will come? Yes, it's P. P makes the sound of p, p, p. Like in pot, like in pen. Now, Q makes the sound of qua, qua, qua. Like in queen, like in quilt. R makes the sound of r. R makes the sound of r. Like in rat, like in rose. S makes the sound of s. S makes the sound of s. Like in snake, like in sun. T makes the sound of t, t, t. Like in table, like in 10. U makes the sound of like in umbrella, like in what? Like in umpire. Yes. Now, letter V makes the sound of like in van, like in vase. Letter W makes the sound of, put your hands here and just blow the air. How? You will say w, w. Like in wind, like in watch. Letter X. Letter X makes the sound of x, x. Like in fox, like in wax. We can able to hear the sound of letter X in the end of the word, like in fox, like in box, like in wax. Okay. Letter Y. Letter Y makes the sound of ya, ya, ya. Like in yellow, like in yogurt. And the last letter, the letter is Z. Letter Z makes the sound of a buzzing bee. How? Like zzz. Like in zoo, like in zip. So children, I hope this video will helpful for you. I will also bring the blending of sounds and how we can frame the words using the phonetic sound. I will bring that video as well. Stay tuned for my new videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video.